Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn in online classes. First, set up a specific study area that is quiet and organized, helping you focus better. Next, develop a regular study schedule, perhaps dedicating 2 to 3 hours per course each week, just like a traditional class. Knowing if you learn best by seeing, hearing, or doing will also significantly improve your study approach. This foundational work is crucial for a successful online learning experience. Active engagement is key to mastering online content. Make sure to participate consistently in all online discussions and forums. Your insights add value. Never hesitate to ask questions if something is confusing. Instructors are there to help. Also, consider forming virtual study groups or collaborating on projects with classmates. This interaction deepens understanding and builds a supportive learning community, making complex topics much clearer. To truly master your online courses, adopt effective study techniques. Divide big assignments into smaller, more achievable steps to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Regularly review your course material, even for just 15 to 20 minutes each day, to reinforce learning. Always take thorough notes, rephrasing key information in your own words. This active processing helps you retain information much more effectively than passive reading. Staying motivated is vital for long-term online learning success. Set achievable goals for yourself and acknowledge your progress, no matter how small. Make full use of all the digital resources your institution offers, such as online tutorials, virtual libraries, or academic support services. These tools are designed to enhance your learning journey. And speaking of enhancing your reading experience, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.